Hi, I'm back with another technique on how to improve your English fluency. So, here is my tip number 4, that is writing. When you write something, that time basically you are training your brain to organize your thoughts and ideas. Regular writing practice helps you to refine your grammar, spelling, and punctuation skills. Suppose you are writing about your entire day. What did you do? Where did you go? When did you go? How did you go? And if someone asks you, or when it comes to speaking part, you can confidently say, what did you do the entire day? Because you have already organized your thoughts in your mind. So, my dear friends, the more you write, the more your English speaking skills are going to improve. So start writing every day, at least 2 pages. Yes, 2 pages, and see the difference in your fluency. If these techniques are helping you to improve your English fluency, then please write yes in the comment section. For more such techniques, please follow English Madam Bhavna.